So, 6185. I'm gonna make a highlight video. Alright? So we have here 6185 LUV 6184. So we have our 6184. 6184. I'm creating the highlight video. Alright, let's continue. Highlight, Shanjigur. I'm still here. Tumutugtog ka ba? Let me listen. Walang tunog? Okay. Ang cute naman ng teddy. Ay, hindi siya teddy. Ano ba to? Doggy? Doggy saka kitty, hindi cat. 6185, let's go. Okay. Pale. Lead. Lad. Laid. Lead. Ano pa? Lead. Led. Dad. Ooh, meron palang 3-letter words. 8. Lip. Yeah, dad. Thank you. Ay, meron na palang dad. Paddle. Ooh, okay. Pad. Alright. Peel. Okay. Plead. Meron na pala. Padded. Pedal. Yeah, dead. Thank you. Joe James, ano ka pa pala? Dead. What else? Lad. Lap. Led. What else? Peeled. Peeled. And then pal. And then plea. Okay. And meron akong plead, diba? Saka pled. Nandun pa. P. Siyempre may P. And of course, deal. Yeah, my dad, my deal. And then my add. Alright, that's it. Thank you po, Joe James. Akala ko umalis ka na. Ayan. Maraming salamat, Joe James. Shout out, Joe James, Bob, Luffy, Big Boy Johnny TV, and everyone here. Okay. Tap to skip. Ayan. 6186. 6185 tayo. 6186. I'm gonna highlight the 6185. Asa na yun?